Brilliant Creations, we believe that education is the key to unlocking a child's potential. We're here to serve students by providing learning solutions that are engaging and relevant, so that students will become interested to learn and ready to thrive in this increasingly competitive world. We follow a thematic integrated approach for preschool. Critical thinking and decision-making for elementary. A spiral and culturally relevant approach for junior high school. And introducing a more comprehensive approach through specific track-based learning for senior high school. Our materials are available in ebook and print format to adapt to different learning needs. We want to make a difference in the lives of students through quality education. At Brilliant Creations, we live to educate.